All right, today's lesson is over experimental probability, and it is still a simple event, so it's only of one event. So what the big thing here is simple probability with experimental probability is the probability upon completing an experiment. So when we were doing theoretical, we were given the theory of what should happen, and we predicted. Here we are actually going to see what has occurred and the total. So that has changed a little bit. We have what has occurred is on top, and we have the total on bottom. So when I complete my experiment, I can record the data and see what the chances will be. So I'm going to show you the difference right here between theoretical and experimental. So theoretically, I should roll a 5 1 out of 6 times on this die up here. There's 6 sides, one of them being a 5, so theoretically 1 every 6 times. So to roll in 12 times, I set up my proportion, x over 12. Scale factor is times 2, so theoretically I should roll a 5 2 times out of every 12 rolls. So we're actually going to experiment with that now. So I'm going to roll my die right here to see if this is true. So I roll the die, and I get a 5. So I'm going to record my 5. So 1, another 5, 2. I have a 4 now. A 1. Another 4. A 3. Another 5. A 6. A 6 again. Another 6. Another 6. A 4. A 3. And actually this 3 was too many. That was the 13th one. Oops. All right, so theoretically, I should have rolled 5 2 times. That did not happen. I rolled a 5 3 times in this experimental probability. I rolled the 2, none. I should have gotten that twice. I rolled a 6 4 times. So the difference with theoretical and experimental, I actually experimented with rolling that die 12 times and recorded my data. It didn't match my prediction, but what happens is eventually, if you do the experiment enough times, it will average out to where it does match your theoretical. So that's all experimental probability is, performing an experiment and recording your data.